Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your laptop, and offering a service that takes you only 20 minutes to complete, but a client happily pays you $100 for it. Sounds unrealistic? A few years ago, it probably was, but today, with AI tools doing most of the heavy lifting, freelancers are building entire income streams around services that barely existed before. The craziest part is this: many of the people making money with these services are not experts. They simply understand how to combine AI with basic freelancing skills. In this video, you're going to discover 7 freelance services you can offer using AI right now. Some are extremely beginner-friendly, some are surprisingly profitable, and the last one is something businesses desperately need, but very few freelancers are actually offering. Let's start with something simple but powerful: AI blog writing. Businesses constantly need blog posts to rank on Google, attract visitors, and build authority in their niche. The problem is that writing consistent blog content takes time, and most business owners don't have that time. That's where AI-powered freelancers come in. With tools like ChatGPT or similar AI writing tools, you can generate high-quality article drafts in minutes. But the real value isn't just generating text. Clients pay for research, editing, SEO optimization, and turning raw AI output into something that feels human and valuable. Imagine a fitness brand that needs weekly blog posts like "Best Home Workouts for Beginners" or "How to Burn Fat Without Going to the Gym." With AI, you can create a strong draft quickly, then refine it by adding examples, statistics, and a conversational tone. Freelancers often charge anywhere from $50 to $300 per article, depending on length and quality. If you write just 3 blog posts a week, that can quickly turn into a solid monthly income stream. Now here is where things start getting interesting. Content creators and businesses constantly need graphics: thumbnails, Instagram posts, TikTok covers, YouTube banners, ads. The demand for visual content is endless. AI image tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI allow you to create professional visuals even if you have zero graphic design experience. A YouTuber, for example, might pay $10 to $50 for a single thumbnail. That might not sound like much at first, but if you work with several creators consistently, those small payments add up quickly. The secret is understanding what actually makes people click. Thumbnails with strong contrast, expressive faces, bold text, and emotional reactions usually perform better. If you position yourself not just as a designer, but as someone who understands YouTube growth, you can charge much higher rates. But the opportunity doesn't stop with graphics. Short-form video is exploding right now across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Every creator and brand wants viral short videos, but editing takes time and effort. AI video editing tools like CapCut, Opus Clip, and Descript can automatically detect the best moments in long videos, cut unnecessary pauses, add captions, and create engaging clips in minutes. Imagine a podcaster who records a 1-hour episode. Instead of manually watching and editing the entire video, you use AI tools to turn that single podcast into 10 short viral clips. Suddenly, the client has a full week of social media content. Freelancers often charge between $100 and $500 for short-form video packages, and because creators need this content every week, it often turns into recurring monthly income. Another surprisingly profitable AI service is resume and LinkedIn optimization. Millions of people apply for jobs online, but most resumes never even get seen by human recruiters because companies use automated screening systems. With AI tools, you can quickly rewrite resumes to include stronger keywords, better achievements, and clearer formatting. For example, instead of writing "responsible for managing social media," you could transform that into something like "increased Instagram engagement by 45% through targeted content strategies and analytics tracking." That kind of improvement makes a resume far more impressive. Freelancers typically charge $50 to $200 for resume optimization, and even more if LinkedIn profile writing is included. Job seekers are often willing to invest in these services because landing even one good job can completely change their financial situation. But here's another growing opportunity many people overlook: YouTube script writing. YouTube creators constantly need fresh content ideas and engaging scripts, but writing scripts takes time and creativity. Using AI, you can generate outlines, storytelling hooks, and structured video scripts much faster than writing everything from scratch. However, the real value comes from editing and shaping the script so it sounds natural and engaging. For example, a finance channel might need scripts about investing, online businesses, or passive income strategies. If you consistently deliver engaging scripts that keep viewers watching, creators will keep hiring you again and again. AI makes this process dramatically faster. As a freelancer, you can offer product description writing for Shopify stores, Amazon sellers, or Etsy shops. Instead of boring descriptions like high-quality cotton shirt, you can create benefit-focused copy such as lightweight, breathable cotton designed for all-day comfort, perfect for casual wear or weekend travel. These small improvements can increase conversion rates and make products stand out from competitors. Store owners care about one thing: more sales. If your product descriptions help them sell more products, they'll happily keep hiring you for more work. Where the chatbot automatically answers menu questions and books reservations. Or an online store where the chatbot helps customers find the perfect product. Setting up a chatbot might only take a few hours, but freelancers can charge anywhere from $200 to $1,000 depending on the complexity. Because businesses love automation that saves time and improves customer service, this service is becoming more valuable every year. AI isn't replacing freelancers. In reality, it's creating a new generation of freelancers who can work faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. The real opportunity isn't just using AI tools, it's packaging those tools into services that businesses are willing to pay for. If you found value in these AI freelance ideas, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more strategies on making money with AI. And if you want even more ideas, check out the next video where we break down some of the best AI side hustles beginners can start this year.